What's up y'all, it's Jimmy, coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So getting right to the video, I have a discussion video for y'all. This time it is a pair of Yeezys that are supposed to be releasing on September 23rd. At least one of the colorways. There are plenty of colorways that I'm pretty sure are gonna drop within the year. So if you guys have been living under a rock, which I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all haven't, Kanye has been going crazy, whether it's his Donda album release, his whole Yeezy Gap thing, and all the shoes that he's dropping. Man is running on all cylinders and he has a lot of things coming our way. So this is a shoe that really caught me by surprise because I really didn't hear too much about it until I saw the Sneaker News post. Sneaker News announced that Yeezy would be dropping his Knit Runners, basically another very casual athleisure shoe, if you want to call it that. But taking a look at the Sneaker News article, like I mentioned earlier, you guys can see they will be dropping the Sulfur colorway on September 23rd. If you guys saw the Off-White Canary Air Force Ones that came out about 2 months ago, the yellow looks extremely similar. But you know, just even taking a look at them right here, I'll say they look a little funky. Are they my preference, my shoe? I'm gonna go ahead and say right off the bat, no, right? But because they are Yeezys, a lot of people are gonna gravitate towards the shoe. A lot of people are gonna buy them. Would I consider trying them out? I mean, why not, right? If I manage to hit on retail, I would not be opposed to it, but would I pay resale for them? Probably not. And who knows how much resale is really gonna be. I mean, to be honest, resale has really fluctuated a lot for all the Yeezy shoes. It seems like the foam runners are sticking at 400, 500, which is pretty crazy considering that retail is only about 60 bucks. And then the Yeezy slides are about 180 to 200. So where these will sit, maybe it'll sit right in between, just depending on how hype, how limited they are. But going down on the article, you guys can see that retail on these is 200, so a little pricey if you ask me. I mean, it really depends on the material, how durable they are, just because, I mean, to be honest, if they are just a casual athleisure sandal, you know, something you wear, you know, just to go get groceries, you know, or just something you might pair casually with your outfit, I don't know if I'd pay $200 for these sandals right here, but I mean, to each their own right, because Jerry Lorenzo dropped his California slides that were about, I think, $220, right? So price point is really just up to you at the end of the day, whether it's worth it or not. But going down and looking at the other pictures, you know, I'll post them all right here somewhere on the video. They are a very simple shoe. I mean, it's basically just like almost like a bootie, right? Something you put on like a dog or like a baby to keep their feet warm. I mean, nothing about them really screams like they would be a $200 price point, but maybe once we get them in hand, our opinions will change drastically. So there you have it. That is a quick look at the Yeezy Knit Runner that was supposed to come out on September 23rd. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys think these are a cop or a drop. For myself, for that $200 price point, I'll probably go ahead and say these are a drop for me. I do think a lot of people will really like them, but I also do think there will be a good amount of people that don't like them. Just kind of like the foam runners, right? A lot of people do really like them. A lot of people don't like them at all. But that's it for the video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.